For today's assignment, I need you to do the back of our 7-3 notes that we did yesterday. I'm going to do number 1 for you, and then you need to do 2 through 6 and turn it in to me. So all I'm doing are graphing equations, but I have a problem. That is not in y equals mx plus b, so I can't graph it. So I'm going to have to change it. I'm going to write it over here. I'm going to make it a 1y because I know there's a 1 in front of it, -1. Okay, so the first thing I do to get the y by himself is I have to subtract that 4x. -1y, because that's all that's left on the left, equals, I'm going to write these in the opposite order that they're written because I need my mx to be first. So -4x. And then that 3 is positive, so I just write plus 3. Now, I have to divide by -1 to get the y alone. So the y is all by himself. -4 over -1 is positive 4 over 1x. 2 negatives make a positive. 3 divided by -1 is a -3. I like my slope right here to be a fraction because then I have to rise and run. So when we graph it, we start with the b, and I put a dot on -3. From there, I'm going to rise 4 and run 1. Draw my line. You need to do that for the rest of the questions on this page. 3, 4, 5, and 6, turn it in to me. That's all.